Good afternoon, children of St. Paul's. May the peace of the Lord be with you. I am very pleased to say welcome back to the start of our virtual New Year. Happy New Year to you all. I'm really sorry that we're not all back at school together. It makes me sad, but nevertheless, when things are tricky, we all come together and we do our best to try and keep going and making sure that things are as good as they possibly can be. I hope you and your families are well. This is the start of a busy term. There is lots of work available for you online. Hopefully, you have been busy doing that this morning. If you are finding it a bit tricky, if you're finding it hard to log on, if you've got some issues with your technology, then do please let our school know. We have staff in school right now that can help you with that. We can help you with your passwords if you've forgotten your password. We can help you log on if you don't know what your logon address is. And if you need some help with technology, do please contact the school via our email address or our phone, parents and carers. Hello and Happy New Year to you. We will be ringing you up, children, at the end of this week and next week to see how you are getting on. Make sure you're getting that work done. Try your best. It's okay if you find it tricky, but try your best. Parents and carers, another announcement for you. I know that some of you are asking about our free school meal vouchers. We haven't had the announcement as yet, but as soon as we do, we will absolutely let you know. We will be putting up some information on our YouTube account where you can see me now, and also on our Twitter feed. I know lots of you follow that, and that's really good that you do that. That's a good way to keep up to date with what's going on with the school, and we will make sure we're messaging and keeping that up to date as much as we possibly can. But during the last lockdown, and this made me very happy, lots of you were able to tweet your amazing work. So if you're technologically minded enough to be able to tweet, do please send in the amazing stuff that you're doing, because it makes all of us so happy. We will make sure that there is a newsletter. We will make sure that Mr. Bennett has his assembly up and running as well. That will be towards the end of the week. There will be a food drop later on this week, so we will make sure that we communicate that. But above all, we want to make sure that you are looking after yourself. You're keeping fit, you're keeping well, you're keeping strong, and you're keeping up to date with the work that we are setting you. So, take care of one another, be kind to one another, look after one another, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.